Throughout history, the size of an army has often determined the fate of empires and nations. Today, we count down the top 10 largest armies ever assembled, measured by peak active personnel. Number 10. The Roman Army. At its height in the 1st and 2nd centuries CE, the Roman Empire could field between 400,000 and 500,000 soldiers. These legions conquered and controlled a vast territory, shaping the course of Western civilization. Number 9. The Persian army under Cyrus the Great. In the 6th century BCE, Cyrus the Great commanded an army of approximately 500,000 soldiers. This force established the First Persian Empire, stretching from Libya to Central Asia. Number 8. The Tang Dynasty. In the 9th century, the Tang Dynasty of China maintained a standing army of around 634,000 soldiers. This force helped expand the dynasty's territory and maintain order across its vast empire. Number 7. The Mauryan Empire. In the 3rd century BCE, the Mauryan Empire of India, founded by Chandragupta Maurya, fielded an army of approximately 630,000 soldiers, ensuring peace and stability across the Indian subcontinent. Number 6. The Ming Dynasty. In the 15th century, China's Ming Dynasty commanded the world's first million-strong army, with an estimated 1 million soldiers under arms, including a formidable navy. Number 5. Napoleon's French Army. In the early 19th century, Napoleon Bonaparte assembled an army of approximately 2.5 million soldiers. This force dominated Europe for over a decade and reshaped the continent's political landscape. Number 4. The German Empire during World War I. During the First World War, the German Empire mobilized a force of approximately 5.3 million soldiers, fighting on multiple fronts in one of history's deadliest conflicts. Number 3. The Soviet Union during World War II. By 1943, the Soviet Union had mobilized an army of approximately 11 million soldiers. This force played a pivotal role in defeating Nazi Germany and changing the course of the 20th century. Number 2. Nazi Germany during World War II. By 1944, Nazi Germany reached its peak military strength with approximately 12.1 million soldiers under arms, waging war across Europe and North Africa. Number 1. The United States Army during World War II. By 1945, the United States had mobilized an army of approximately 12.2 million soldiers, the largest ever assembled. This force was crucial in defeating the Axis powers and establishing the United States as a global superpower. Honorable mentions: the army of Ramses II in ancient Egypt, with an estimated 100,000 soldiers. The Mongol Empire under Genghis Khan, with estimates ranging from 240,000 up to 1 million at its peak. The British Empire during World War I, mobilizing around 8.9 million soldiers, and during World War II, with about 6.6 million. The Qin Dynasty in 3rd century BCE China, with some sources suggesting up to 1 million soldiers. These armies represent the immense scale of human conflict throughout history. Which of these forces do you think had the greatest impact on the world? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to Minecraft Dark History for more deep dives into the minds that made and unmade history.